So, for today's lesson, write your I can statement. Today is October 1st and it is Thursday. Today, we're just going to continue practicing multiplying multi digit whole numbers. Okay, so I can multiply multi digit whole numbers. And then we're going to put our journal aside. I'm going to show you how we're going to use it today. You are going to need to submit a picture of your math journal today for your exit ticket. So I am so excited to see the work that you're going to do today. So here we go. For today, you will need um, either a deck of cards, and if you don't have a deck of cards, you can just cut a piece of paper and write the digits 1 through 9 um, on your pieces of paper. So if you don't have a deck of cards, then you just cut a piece of paper, or if you have note cards, you can use those. But you need the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, I'm going to use the deck of cards. Your deck of cards, you need to take out all of the face cards, which would be your kings and your queens and your jacks. You also need to take out your jokers, and you need to take out your tens. Okay, so pause the video, do what you need to do. Take out the face cards, the jokers, and the tens. So that leaves you with your digits 1 through 9. So aces are going to represent, there's your ace, it's going to represent the number 1. Okay? So here's what we're going to do today. I'm going to shuffle my deck. And let's see here. I'm going to get my piece of paper here. I'm going to set up let me zoom out so you can see this. You can do this on your whiteboard. You can get a scrap piece of paper. Whatever you need to do. Probably a whiteboard would be good. Because you're going to want to solve these first before they, or maybe not. Maybe you can just do it in your journal. You be the judge of what you need to do. Okay, so I'm going to take one card or two cards and lay them on top and two cards on the bottom. Okay, I'm not looking at those cards. I'm not going to pick which digits end up where. Okay, it's going to be a surprise. So then I turn them over. So the number that I have on top is 37. And the number that is on the bottom is 36. So in my journal, or on your whiteboard first if you want to, you would multiply 37 times 36. Okay, I'm going to do it in my math journal. 37 times 36 on today's page. 37 times 36. I'm going to enlarge so that you can see this very well. As you can see, Miss Mullinex erased earlier because I messed up the video, but that's okay. Here we go. We can still see pretty well. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is 6 times 7, and then 6 times 3. 6 times 7 is 42. Put down the 2 and carry the 4. 6 times 3 is 18. 19, 20, 21, 22. And what's my next step? Move, Gizzy. What's my next step? Zip, zap, 0. I'm going to zip that 4, zap and 0. Now, 3 times 7, 3 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Put down the 1, carry the 2 right on top of that 4, okay? And then 3 times 3 is 9. Don't forget these two, 10, 11. So line up your digits really well. Add your partial products. 2 and 0 is 2. 2 and 1 is 3. 2 and 1 is 3. And 1. 1,332 is my product. So now, picky, Miss Mullinax. Put down 2 fingers and then put a number 2. Okay, I'm going to put my journal aside. And then I'm going to take my 4 cards, put these cards aside, and I'm going to deal my next 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem. Turn them over. I have, 21 times, these are easy. 21 times 21. How cool. Then I would solve in my journal 21 times 21. Hopefully you get the gist of what we're doing today. You need, in your journal, you need to do 3 problems that are 2-digit by 2-digit. And then you need 3 problems that are 3-digit by 2-digit. Okay? So you need 1, 2, 3. So you're going to have 2-digit by 2-digit. Okay. Another 2-digit by 2-digit. Please don't draw these boxes in your journal. We don't do that when we're solving math problems. Okay. Except for we put a box around our product. 2-digit by 2-digit, 2-digit by 2-digit, 2-digit by 2-digit. And then skip 1, 2, 3 lines, come down and put a number 4. You are going to do a 3-digit by 2-digit. And remember, that 3-digit number goes on the top. Number 5 and number 6. Okay. And then my last one. Okay. When you're finished, you are going to take a picture of your math journal. You take a picture of your math journal, and that is what you are going to submit as your exit ticket. So you're going to go back to the weekly Canvas assignment page and submit the picture of your 6 problems as your exit ticket for today. Have fun.